Hey, this will be a video chart on EFLN. Interesting day today. Thought we had a breakout on our hands, but the seller stepped in, knocked the price back down, and didn't quite make the progress which I thought it would when I checked on it earlier this morning. But nonetheless, with this sort of volume, maybe there's more to come. Volume, rules the world of pennies, and whenever you see it, either nothing comes about it or something good comes about it. So that's why it's at least worth watching here. I think I've done this one a few times, but we do have a little miniature uptrend here. You can see today, like I just said at the beginning, real nice volume, above average, biggest volume it's had in essentially looks like about a month and a half. So you can't really complain on that front. But there were sellers in there today, and that's obvious by the candle that was formed. At one time, this was a big green candle here, but the profit taker stepped in and closed it a little bit red on the day. But hopefully this maybe was some sort of little capitulation day where the people that wanted to get out, wanted to sell on the breakout did, and now with any sort of follow-up volume, the price can start to make some progress. Will that be the case? Your guess is as good as mine, but my guess, and I think I'm not saying I know for sure, but I think that the people that were accumulating, down here, they were looking for the breakout. When the breakout occurred, obviously some volume was coming in due to the breakout, and they just sold into it, locked in their profits, and by the end maybe created a little bit of panic selling, and that's why it closed red on the day. Like I said, speculation, but it would make sense. People accumulate. They buy the quiet, which was right here, and then when the noise comes, which was today's action, they sell into that, and so that's one possible scenario of what happened. But anyways, let's map out some supports, resistances. Really the key area of support that I'm watching is this purple line here. This is the 50-day simple moving average. If the overall chart and the daily chart is going to have any sort of chance of kind of rebounding and starting to head back up, this level needs to hold. If the 50-day can't hold, then there's not really any sort of strength behind this current kind of move right here, because we do have some higher lows. We have this set of lows here, and now we're working on putting in a new set up here. So if we can put in the new set, which is above that purple line there, that would really start to make the chart look solid in terms of showing that people who are buying on the bid have to continually up their bids in order to get filled if they want to get shares that way. Now in terms of resistances, the key one still stands here at 002, or excuse me, not 002, but up here at this level here. Yes, you did break it intraday today. However, from the daily chart perspective, we care about where the closes are. So until there's a close up above this level, then it's still got to be considered an area of resistance. So this level is at 0.0024, and with closes above here, and if it can be consistently above, then I don't see why the next price target area couldn't be up here at the 200-day simple moving average, because with a new set of lows up here, that means we would have a set of lows here, a set of lows there, a set at the 50-day simple moving average, and then a new set up here. That would be a very nice base, nice setup to give this an attack up here. But one step at a time. Right now, we just got to see if we can even get back above this level here and get some closes above it. Overall, though, still a good-looking chart. As long as the higher lows are being put in, then the edge goes to the bulls. But hopefully the volume can stay strong, and maybe this was some sort of clear-out day where the sellers are gone now, and with another push in volume, you can start to see some progress. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and checking out. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's see how it works and what it's all about. One more time, this was EFLN. Thanks for listening.